In 2024, Rosella Ugues took her own life. The 12-year-old had spent her last 5 months on social media, which kept pushing depressive content to her, according to her parents. Irene Rogero Ugues is now among a group of Italian parents taking two social media giants to court.
If there had not been the algorithm, if there had not been this browsing, I have the hope that we would have had more time to understand.
Rogero Ugues believes her daughter's psychological struggles would have evolved more gradually and allowed the family to spot warning signs, if not for the stream of self-harm content she was fed on social media.
At a certain point, this something that was born from her took life, took space, ate the cheerful part, the sociable part, the bright part of her.
Her child's behavior changed dramatically in just a few months, Rogero Ugues says. But the family only understood what she had been exposed to when they unlocked her devices after her death. And they're now backing a lawsuit against TikTok and Meta, which owns Facebook and Instagram, to push for tighter limits on minors' access and greater awareness of the risks young users face. The case is among the first collective actions in Italy to challenge social media firms and their algorithms. Both companies deny the lawsuit's claims that their services are harmful to young people. They also say they take steps to protect young users by removing harmful content, limiting exposure to risky material, and helping families manage children's accounts. The impact of social media platforms depends on how they're used, the safeguards in place, and the level of parental involvement, Meta told Reuters. Their parents, like Valentina Muraglia, say the company's efforts are not enough. Muraglia, who is a board member of Italy's Association of Large Families, says asking parents to monitor social media use full-time is simply unrealistic. She says the idea is not to doom the platforms, but to force them to engage in dialogue to find ways to improve the situation. Perhaps we don't even need to ban young people from social media, she says, but we should create social media suitable for young people. Scrutiny of digital platforms is intensifying around the world. A growing number of countries are looking to tighten access for young people. The World Health Organization has warned that addiction-like behavior in social media use is increasing among adolescents. The Italian case argues that the social platforms use reward mechanisms modeled on slot machines that foster dependency. The plaintiffs cite brain scan studies that appear to link social media use with addiction. Still, some psychologists, like Professor Federico Tonioni, urge caution about drawing simple conclusions. He's the head of the Web Psychopathology Center at the Policlinico Gemelli Foundation in Rome. I can't say that if social media didn't exist, my patients would suffer any less, he says. Young people need to be listened to. We never listen to them. That's the truth.